You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn off developer mode on your Android phone. Open the Settings app, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. On some phones, you may need to tap Additional Settings first. Now tap on Developer Options. If you don't see it, go to About Phone and tap build number 7 times 2. Enable it first, then return to this menu. At the top of the Developer Options screen, you will see a toggle switch. Simply tap this toggle to turn it off. The switch will move to the left and turn gray. A confirmation message may appear. Tap OK. The Developer Options menu will immediately disappear from your settings. To verify it is off, go back to your main settings menu. The Developer Options entry should be gone. If you want to remove it completely, you can also clear the data of the Settings app. Go to Settings, Apps, find Settings, tap Storage, then tap Clear Data. This is more drastic and will reset all your settings preferences. The simplest method is just toggling the switch off within the developer. Options. You can re-enable it any time by going to About Phone and tapping build number 7 times again. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.